talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Shopify app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down. So and on you click here. So when you go down here, you click on notifications. So when you click on notifications here, it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video. So then all you have to do, you just click here on customer notifications here. So then you wait here, just switch to open video and you go down. You come here to order message local delivery. Click in this sign here. So then like you see this color show for us, that's been enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.